This is a 2-bedroom in Murray Hill with a washer and a dryer in the unit. And you can also use it as a cooking island. Let's go ahead and step on here. It's a nice looking bathroom. I like that pedestal sink and nice big shower head. And there is a window in this bathroom, along with little places to put your soap and body wash and things. Here are the 2 bedrooms. You can see they're quite evenly matched. They both fit queen beds, and they both have closets with a bit of above storage. Here's bedroom 1, back into the living area, and here is bedroom number 2 with the above storage and the closet. And there is one more storage option here in this very charming kitchen that has a pantry plus an above storage. There you go.